everyone. It is the season of graduations and we're coming to you from the Zulily headquarters today. I'm Shelby and this is my mom, Julie.
Hi everybody.
She is an expert in all things DIY and today we are going to be showing you how to make some decor for graduation parties. So we have the finished product right over here and Mom, why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
This is so much fun to make, you guys. This is great for any kind of events. And today we're going to show you how to make this for graduation, but the best part is that we're using a toy from your home.
And it's a hula hoop.
It's a hula hoop. So we have a basic hula hoop here, and all we did was paint it with spray paint. And
so super simple.
Yeah, super simple. We chose gold. So I'm going to grab the already finished gold sprayed one. So
perfect,
that you can
simple
see.
as that.
And you can
all you'll need is the hula hoop, and what are the other items?
Yep, you can use simply by choosing the color of your choice. We chose gold because we're doing gold,
and it's for my sister's graduation decor.
It's for her graduation, so she chose gold. So you can see the finished product, just gold and white. So we're going to get started by using flowers. And Shelby, you've got some
flowers and leaves over here. We have, what else? Some twine. We have some
twine that we're going to use to hang it, and we have ribbon. I chose a linen ribbon, but you guys can use any kind of ribbon. Again, using based on whatever your celebration is. It can be really simple, or it can be the super fancy kind.
And so all you really need else is some hot glue, right?
Yep,
and
you need hot glue.
Started gluing.
So we've only used a few different products that we're going to use to do this. So Shelby, you're going to start by putting a little bit on the back of the leaves, and I just went down each side and I scattered the leaves. Careful not to burn yourself. Sometimes I use the end of the glue gun to do that so you don't burn yourself, but you'll go down each side left and right with the leaves, and then after you're done with that, just choosing whatever flower choice that you're going to do. We did just the simple white flowers. You're going to put 3 on each side. You can see how Shelby's coming down here. You'll come down each side left and right the same, and you can balance it out as you're working. This is so much fun because this can be used for anniversaries, bridal showers, weddings.
Definitely, I could see at a wedding too.
I know, isn't that cute to do?
And then I see you brought some clips to hang the photos. Are there other items that you could use too for that?
Yeah, you could do paper clips, right?
Yeah.
You can use the little, we did the little wooden clothespins.
And then you were also telling me earlier for the flowers, you just cut them off the stems. I think you brought an example of that.
Yeah, so if you guys find them, you can find bunches of flowers, and they're just normally stuck on here, and all we did was pull them off. And then when you pull them off, you'll cut the backing off to get it nice and flushed against there. So as Shelby's gluing them down
almost done
carefully.
Here. Look at me go.
And then Shelby, let's show them how to put the ribbon on. You're going to cut it whatever the radius is of your hoop, because hula hoops come in different sizes.
Yeah, they can definitely
which
vary.
I learned, I didn't know, they have a little itty bitty for the little kids, and then
all the way to
really
get whatever size that you want to have varying pieces in your decor.
So Shelby, you go ahead and glue those down. All we did was, while she's gluing, I'm going to show you, I cut the ribbon to fit. I did 5 total. So 2 on each side of the center. So when you're gluing them down, you just want to center it in the center of the hoop and then work on out. And how's that going? Good?
It's going good. We might need to spin this around a little bit.
Here you go.
Oh,
so really, this is it. And
that is so easy, and look at how beautiful it is.
It's really beautiful. She's getting this completed. The last step to finishing this, we won't finish the rest of the ribbon here, but the last step will be, Shelby, you tying the twine at the top. Okay. And this is probably
one already cut.
Good 36 inches. Tie a knot at the top.
So however long that you want to be hanging it.
Yeah, so tie that and you'll loop it through. And we're just going to quickly show them how to loop it through, and then I'll show we'll come over here.
Okay, why don't you demo this?
Okay, so at the top, once this is glued, you take your loop through here, slide this through the top, and pull.
Easy as that.
People ask me that all the time. Super easy to do. So let's step over here.
And how long would you say it takes to complete this whole decor piece typically? Because we skip the spray paint usually.
Yeah, maybe a half hour.
That is so quick, so easy to make.
Yeah, it is.
And now we're going to hang up the pictures.
Okay, you walk over. We've got pictures of her sister, my daughter.
We do, and I'll give you some too.
Okay, and we've got the clothespins we talked about. They're just mini little wooden clothespins. and you're just going to quickly go ahead and pin them all over. Now, when we do this for her in a few weeks, we're going to write down on the bottom of her photos what each grade this is.
I love that. Such a special touch.
So this is, you can put one right there at the center at the top, and that's
Perfect.
it. This
Look
is
at
so
how
cute.
beautiful that is.
And that is it. That is quick and easy. You can see how we
Yeah.
staggered the flowers. We put the ribbons through. We've gone ahead and put the clothespins on with the photos, and that's a completed
And you can
product.
definitely reuse this for so many other occasions.
Yes, you
yeah.
can. Very much so.
Well, thank you all so much for joining us today. This is such a fun and simple project that you can do right at home for graduations and many more events. Mom, thanks so much for joining us
for
today.
having me, everybody.
We're excited for you to go ahead and make this at home, and make sure to check out Zuli for all your crafting needs. Bye.
Bye, you guys.